Good morning, beta. Let's start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 9, rational numbers. So let's first understand the meaning of the rational number. In this previous term PT1 exam, we have done the chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimal. What is the difference between fraction and rational number? They both are of the form P by Q, but there is one basic difference between them. So fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. It can only be positive. Fractions are always positive because if you are making a share of one thing, that you will get in the positive manner. Suppose your mama has brought pizza from the market and you are two brother sister. Your mother has divided that pizza into two parts. So half you will get and half your brother will get. Okay. So half of portion of that pizza is always the part of the fraction because you are making the part of the whole thing. Got it, beta? So this is known as fraction. It is not, आप 1/2 को rational number भी कह सकते हो क्योंकि fractions जो होते हैं they are always positive but rational numbers can be positive as well as negative. Got it? अब देखो ये होते दोनों ही P by Q फॉर्म के हैं, fractions भी और रैशनल नंबर्स भी. ये भी P by Q की फॉर्म में होता है, ये भी P by Q की फॉर्म में होता है, बट इसमें डिफरेंस है. जो P और Q यहाँ पे होते हैं वो नेचुरल नंबर होते हैं. फ्रैक्शंस के केस में P एंड Q आर नेचुरल नंबर्स एंड Q शुड नॉट बी जीरो, क्योंकि अगर डिनोमिनेटर किस चीज का जीरो हो जाता है तो इट विल बी नॉट डिफाइंड. तो डिनोमिनेटर शुड नॉट बी जीरो इन बोथ द केसेस. बट यहाँ पे ये डिफरेंस है कि P और Q नेचुरल नंबर होते हैं, लेकिन रैशनल नंबर में P बाई Q जो होता है वो रैशनल नंबर तो है, लेकिन P एंड Q आर इंटीजर्स. Rational numbers are of the form P by Q. P and Q are integers. Integers positive भी होते हैं, negative भी, इसलिए rational number positive भी हो सकते हैं और negative भी. लेकिन fractions में ये natural number और natural number हमेशा क्या होते हैं? Positive. Fractions क्या आएंगे? Positive आएंगे. Are you getting me? Fractions are always positive because they are talking about the natural number. Natural numbers start from the 1 and they are always positive. Or you can say whole number. Whole number भी लिख सकते हो, लेकिन denominator zero नहीं होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ natural की जगह you can write whole number. Okay? But here in this P and Q are integers and integers are both positive and negative. Therefore, rational numbers can be positive and negative. And denominator should not be zero. तो इसका मतलब rational numbers can be positive as well as negative. But fractions are always positive. Fractions are always positive. मैंने short form लिखी है positive की. Are you getting me? Any doubt? The numbers which are of the form P by Q where denominator should not be zero and P and Q are integers are said to be rational number. This is written on the page number 174. Mark down this definition that is given on page number 174. अ रैशनल नंबर, यहाँ लिखा हुआ है 1 2 3 4, फिफ्थ लाइन में लिखा हुआ है, a rational number is defined as a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. p and q are integers and denominator q should not be zero. ठीक है, अब आप can you give me example of rational number? Yes, Angel, Guneet, Lakshay, give some example, hurry up.
Minus 6 by 3.
Good God, yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, -2 can be written as sorry. -2 can be written as -2 by 1.
What minus? Yes, Guneet.
2 by 3.
Yes, 2 by 3. Yes, Jalash.
1 over 2. -1 over 2.
Speak again. Yes, Jasleen.
by 8.
Minus
4 by 8.
4 by 8. Cancel करके -1 by 2. You can give so many examples of the rational number. -1 by 7, -2 by 3, 4 by 7, 3 by 5. You can give positive or negative all the examples. Okay. Now, next question is -2 by 3 is a rational number. Is -2 by 3 a rational number? Yes, Guneet. Is -2 by 3 a rational number?
Yes, ma'am.
How? Can you explain?
Ma'am, because it contains negative number.
No, beta. Give justification with from the definition point of view. -2 by 3 is a rational number because -2 and 3 are integers and 3 is not equal to 0. Definition क्या कहती है कि p by q is a rational number if p and q both are integers and denominator should not be 0. So that's why I have written it. -2 and 3 are integers and denominator should not be 0. This is your try these of page number 174. Page 174 का question number 1 है try these का. Next question is write 10 rational numbers. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Write 10 rational numbers at your own. I am waiting. Akshita. Akshita, give example. Angel. Anmol. Arpita. Ashima. Yes, anyone whose name I have just taken? Anyone who can give example? Himalay, Sanchit, Mayank, Hardik.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because these are integers and rational number contains integers.
बच्चे अपॉन की फॉर्म में बोलो, p by q की फॉर्म में. I know that all the integers are rational number, but you have to write in the form of p by q. Mayank बोलो जब. हाँ जी.
1 by 2 minus 2 by 4 3 by 5
-2 by 4. देखो बेटा -2 by 4 की कटिंग हो रही है, तो आप ऐसा लिखो जिसकी कटिंग ना हो या कटिंग
-3 by 4
-2 by 3, 3 by 7, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 3 by 8, -1 by 7, ऐसे. Okay, so all these are rational numbers because they contain numerator and denominator in the form of integers and denominator is not 0. Getting me? Any doubt in this? Write down the question. Write a rational number. Hurry up. Likho question. Write a rational number whose numerator is negative and denominator is positive integer. Whose numerator is a negative integer and denominator is a positive integer. Yes, Hargun. Hargun, I want to see your face. Can you on your video just for a while? Hargun. Just for 1 second, then you can put it off. Okay, as your wish. Yes, Angel. Angel. Sanchit. Hardik. Janvi. Aryan. Yes, Aryan. Yes, Anmol.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 3 by 4.
Yes, very good. We want a negative in the numerator and positive in the denominator. Okay, so your answer is minus 3 by 4. Hargun, can you give any other example whose numerator is negative and denominator is positive?
Ma'am, minus 2 by 5.
Wait, Hargun will answer. Yes, Hargun.
Minus 5 by 8.
Yes, very good. You are so smart. Why you get your video off again and again? Okay, if network issue is there, then you can off. Otherwise, try to keep it on. So minus 5 by 8 is your rational number whose numerator is negative and denominator is positive. Yes, write one more example whose numerator is positive but denominator is negative. Numerator is positive, denominator is negative. Is there any Satvik in your class? Satvik. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jalash.
Ma'am, 10 over minus 11.
Very good. Yes, Hargun, give example. Numerator positive, denominator negative.
Ma'am, 5 by minus 7.
Okay. Yes, Arshia.
11 by minus 13.
7 by
11 by minus 13.
11 by minus 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, give another example whose numerator and denominator both are negative. Whose numerator and denominator both are negative. Yes, Drishti.
Minus 9 by minus 10.
Okay, very good. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, minus 2 by minus 3.
Yes, very good. Minus 2 by minus 3. Now give example whose numerator and denominator both are positive. Yes, Jasleen, Puneet. Give example.
18 by 51.
4 by 8.
Okay, 4 by 8. 4 by 8 की कटिंग हो रही है, कटिंग करो. जसलीन, आपने जो एग्जांपल दिया अब दोबारा बोलो.
3 by 51.
3 by 51.
Yes, ma'am.
कटिंग हो रही है.
1 by 3.
कटिंग हो रही है जसलीन. 3 by
1 by
51.
3.
1 by 17. कटिंग करके बोलना या सिंपल बोलो जिसकी कटिंग ना होती है. और अगर कटिंग हो
1 by
रही है,
3.
ओके 1 by 3 is okay. बच्चे अगर कटिंग हो रही है and if you are not doing, there will be reduction of marks. So better to write the example in which cancellation is not possible. Got it?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. Who is this beta? Harkul?
Ma'am, Drishti.
Drishti, हाँ जी बोलो.
17 by 19.
Okay, 17 by 19. चलो. Now, can you give me answer of this question? What are equivalent fraction? What are equivalent rational number? ये हमने किया हुआ है फ्रैक्शन में. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दूं. चलो आप बताओ, कौन बताएगा? हाँ, आर्यन इज. यस आर्यन. What are equivalent rational numbers?
Ma'am, equivalent rational numbers are obtained exactly like obtaining equivalent fractions, i.e. by multiplying the numerator and the denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number.
Can't you speak in simple language but how you will obtain the equivalent rational number in your own
Ma'am,
words?
by
By multiplying it with 2, with
Yes,
3, with... Okay, that's it. Now
मैम
listen
मैंने
beta.
पहले से ही सारा चैप्टर किया हुआ है.
Eh?
मैम मैंने पहले से ही सारा चैप्टर किया हुआ है.
Okay, very good. Now listen beta. Equivalent rational number. जैसे मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दूं, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 6/12. If you make the cancellation of all these, and you will be getting the same answer. 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. That means all the numbers on cancellation are giving you equal answer. That means all these are equivalent fractions. All these are equivalent rational numbers. Got it? तो अगर आप 2 से कटिंग करते हो सेम नंबर्स आते हैं तब भी ठीक है. 3 से करते हो, कटिंग करो मतलब डिवाइड करो या मल्टीप्लाई करो, एक ही बात है. ठीक है, डिवाइड करके नंबर निकाले जाए या मल्टीप्लाई करके निकाले जाए, इट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग. नाउ राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. Write the three equivalent rational numbers of -4/7. Three equivalent rational numbers of -4/7. I want everybody to give response. Garvit, Hardik Bhutani. Yes, Garvit, on your video, Garvit first. Garvit, answer me. इसका आंसर दो जल्दी. 3 equivalent fractions बताने हैं -4/7 के. How you will get that? Can you try?
Yes, ma'am. -4/7 goes to -4/7 multiplied by 2.
Multiply by 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Answer will be -8/14.
14.
Next is
Cross 3.
3. Answer is
12/21.
-12/21. Next is -4 into 4 of 7 into 4. That is -16/28. So these are the 3 equivalent fraction. If you will cancel it out, you will again get the same answer. ठीक है? So these are the equivalent rational numbers. Yes, can you give me two equivalent rational numbers of 10/15? Two equivalent rational numbers of 10/15. One way is to multiply, and we have one another way we can divide it also. आप multiply की जगह multiply भी कर सकते हो 2 से, और आप चाहो तो आप इन दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होते, किससे होते हैं? 5 से होते हैं. 5 से डिवाइड भी कर सकते हो. देखो इधर, मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हो, डिवाइड भी कर सकते हो, सेम है. इसकी कटिंग करो 0 0 की 2/3 आ रहा है. इसकी कट, ये भी 2/3 आ रहा है. इसकी कटिंग करो 2/3 आ रहा है. सारे सेम है ना. इसका मतलब ऑल दीज आर इक्विवेलेंट. 10/15 करो, मल्टीप्लाई करके 20/30 लिखो, डिवाइड करके 2/3 लिखो. ऑल आर इक्विवेलेंट. ऑल आर इक्विवेलेंट. कटिंग करनी नहीं है. I'm just telling you कि multiply, it's not compulsory to multiply. You can either divide also. Okay. Any problem? Any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, write down. Do this question that I'm writing. 5/4 एंजल, गर्वित, हेमंत, रिधिमा, रिहानिका, प्रभनूर. आंसर मी, हरी अप. जानवी, मयंक,
Yes,
so many names I have taken, but nobody is responding. Very good. What will
20.
20? 4
Ma'am,
multiply by 4 is 16. 5 multiply by 4 is 20. अब 5 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 25 बन जाए? 5 5 जा 25, 4 5 जा 20. 5 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि -15 बन जाए? -3 को भी -3 से करेंगे, -12. 7 2 जा 14, -3 into 2 is -6. -3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 9 बन जाए? -3 से करेंगे, -3 से. That will make positive. -3 से करेंगे, इसको भी -3 से करेंगे, -21. -3 को 2 से करेंगे, 7 को भी 2 से करेंगे, 40. You can check all these are equivalent rational number. अगर आप कटिंग करते हो तो you will get same answer. Okay. Is 5 a positive rational number? Is 5 a positive rational number? Yes, Garvit. Yes, Jalash. Is 5 a
Yes, because we can't do extra thing.
because
Then we can't cut it. Okay, the number.
5 is a positive rational number because it can be written in the form of 5 by 1. 5 तो integer है ना, अगर आप 5 को 5 by 1 लिखते हो, yes, 5 by 1 is a positive rational. ये try these है आपका पेज नंबर 175. 5 by 1 is a positive rational number because 5 and 1 are integers and 1 not equal to 0 and denominator is not 0. Okay, can you give me example of 5 positive rational numbers? Any other 5 example? Yes, Jasleen?
1 by 3, 3 by 5, 7 by 9, and 10 by 11.
Yes, Drishti?
5 by 4.
5 by 4. Yes, Argun?
13 by 17.
13 by 17. Yes, Argun?
9 by 2.
9 by 2. So all these are positive rational number. Is -8 on next page 176? Is -8 a negative rational number? Is -8 a negative rational number? -8 is a negative rational number. -8 by 1 is a negative rational number because -8 and 1 are integers and 1 not equal to 0. -1 and 8 are integers and 1 not equal to 0. Got it? Question on page number 176. Try these number 2. Do it at your own. Hurry up. Page number 176. Try these number 2. You have to put tick on the negative rational numbers.
इंटीजर है तो फिर 0 डिनोमिनेटर क्यों नहीं बन सकता?
क्योंकि अगर जीरो डिनोमिनेटर में आता है तो नंबर बन जाता है नॉट डिफाइंड, डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते,
मैम
इन्फिनिटी बन जाता है,
न्यूमरेटर में
इन्फिनिटी बन जाता है, नॉट
Numerator-
डिफाइंड। इसलिए डिनोमिनेटर में कभी भी जीरो नहीं आना चाहिए, न्यूमिनेटर में आ सकता है
न्यूमरेटर में
जीरो
मैम
बाय
मैं ये
वन,
पूछ रही थी,
0/1 आ सकता है, 0/2 आ सकता है, 0/3 आ सकता है, लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं आ सकता। Is 0/1 a rational number? Yes, क्योंकि 0 is a integer and 1 is a integer. डिनोमिनेटर में 0 नहीं आना चाहिए, न्यूमिनेटर में आ सकता है। 0/1, 0/2 all are integers, but denominator should not be 0.